Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off this sign or know how you can do that on your Google Chrome. All you have to do, just go up, you will click here on the sign here on up, then it's going to show for your list like this, and you click here on settings, then it's going to take here to settings window, then you just click here on sync, and it's going to take you here, you just go down, you click here on Google activity controls here, then it's going to take you to next step here, and you just go down here, then you click here on say all activity controls, and it's going to take you to next step. So just go down here and you click here on go to your Google account, and it's going to take you to next step here. So just waiting to open video like this, and here you will choose the email you want to go in, like this email for example, and you go up here, you swipe and you click here on security here and up. Then when you click on security, it's going to take you here in this window. So just go down here, and all you have to do now, so you come here to enhance it safe browsing your account, you would click, then you click here on this sign or this color, and like you see color, it's gone, you click here on turn off, and it's going to turn off video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like